Welcome children, welcome to class 10th pair of linear equation lecture number 3. Now the next topic is algebraic methods of solving pair of linear equation. We are going to see now. Here we are going to use the different method of solving the linear equation. Instead of finding solution and represent on the graph and then we will find the solution from the graph, we can easily use these methods and we can find the solution for the given pair of linear equations. Right? The first method is that substitution method. Substitution method is nothing but we are going to substitute the value of one variable by expressing in terms of other variable to solve the pair of equation. Means nothing difficult. If you have two equations, one equation we are going to be take in that and we will assume value of variable, one variable in terms of other, x in terms of y, otherwise we can assume y in terms of x. Like that we will assume one value, that x value will be put on another equation so that we will get in single variable we will get the equation. So we will get the solution very easily. Means linear equation with one variable we will get it and then we can find the solution of that equation. Now I will explain you with example. The question is that the difference between two numbers is 26. Difference means you know that it is subtraction. Right? So the subtraction of two numbers is 26 and this is one condition, and the next condition is that one number is 3 times the other. That is the second condition. Using the first condition, we will form the equation 1. Right? The difference between two numbers. So we have to assume two numbers. We don't know the numbers. So I have taken, let the numbers be x and y. Right? I have taken the numbers are x and y. What they said, the difference between two numbers. So difference means we have to subtract the numbers. Two numbers if we subtract it, we will get the answer as 26. So x minus y equals to 26. And what is the next condition? One number is, so we can assume x also, otherwise you can assume y also. Here I assumed x. One number is x. X is 3 times the another. 3 times the another means another number is y. 3 times means it is multiplication. So x is equals to 3y. So now we got two equation. Now already the second equation itself in terms of y only. X is in terms of y. See, x value is equals to 3y means in terms of y. So directly we got the equation. Otherwise what we can do, here you can assume the value. X is equals to 26 plus y. Like that we can assume. We can transpose that one. Y, if you transpose it, it will be 26 plus y. This way. That is x is equals to 26 plus y. If both are like that means. But here already the equation is in terms of y means we don't want to do that one. We can directly apply this value. That is substitute x equals to 3y in equation 1. Equation 1 is this. Whenever we are transposing x in terms of y or y in terms of x we are doing means substitute that value in the another equation, not in the same equation. Understood? So x equals to 3y. This you have to substitute in the other equation. Right? So x minus y is equals to 26. In that, in place of x, if you apply x equals to 3y. So what it becomes? 3y minus y. Now the complete equation become in one variable. Right? 3y minus y equals to 26. So you know that 3y minus y is 2y, that is 26. So y is equals to 26 divided by 2. So y is 13. Now you got the y value. Now what you have to do, this y value should be substitute in any of the equation. You can substitute in any one equation. So y equals to 13 in equation 2. Directly in equation 2 if you apply, you will get the x value directly. So I applied over there. So x equals to 3y now. So y we got it 13. So x is equals to 3 into 13, that is 39. So x is 39. Now we got the two numbers. If you have doubt in this answer, you can verify also. How? Here already it is said x is 3 times of y. So x is what? 3 times of y. 13 3s are 39, you know that, right? So 3 times it satisfies the second equation. Now you can check in the first equation also. If you subtract 39 minus 13, see, x minus y is 26, na? So 39 minus 13 you do. Answer is yes, 26. So you got the answer. You can verify like this also after finding the answer. Right children, I hope this point is clear for you. The same way we can learn the other two method also. What is the other two method? One is substitution. Another two method is elimination and cross multiplication method. Now I am going to explain that only. Elimination method is nothing but we are going to eliminate one value from the given two equation. We are going to eliminate one value so that we will get equation is only one variable. So one variable we can easily find out the value of that one, then we can substitute that value. Now see, the same equation only I had taken here. X minus y is equals to 26 and x equals to 3y. This is the two equation. Now write it in the standard form. X equals to 3y means you transpose this side, x minus 3y equals to 0. Now the equation becomes standard form. Now what you have to do, just check the coefficient of x or y. Maximum it will be given same, otherwise you can make it same. Suppose it is given differently means you can make it same, right? Here it is same, so I am eliminating this x. How I can eliminate? Here it is plus 1, here also it is plus 1. Directly I could not eliminate. So I am going to subtract the value 1 minus 2. So if you eliminate that one, x minus y equals to 26, x minus 3y equals to 0. 1 minus 2. I am subtracting this one means I have to change the sign. So it is minus, this minus become plus, equals to 0, right? This x is eliminated now, plus x minus x, so it become 0, eliminated. Now left is plus 1y, minus 1y plus 3y. Minus 1y plus 3y means answer is 2y, and this 26 assets. So y value we got 13, 2y is 26 means y become 13. Now we got the y value. Now you can substitute this y equals to 13 in equation 1. You can substitute in second equation also, not an issue, right? So x minus 13 is equals to 26 because x minus y is equals to 26. So x minus 13 is equals to 26. So x is equals to 26 plus 13, x is 39. This 13 will be transposed this side. So 26 plus 13, it become 39. So now I hope elimination is clear. Suppose the coefficient is not same. Suppose here it is, for your understanding I am writing it like this. 2x minus y equals to 10. And here x plus 5y equals to 2. Like that means what you will do? Here it is, this y also not same, x coefficient also not same. But we can convert that one. Instead of x, if you multiply the whole equation by 2, it become 2x. If you are multiplying the whole equation by 2. So 2 into x become 2x and 2 into 5 become 10 and 2 into 2 become 4. Then you can eliminate. Like this way you can solve the equation. I hope this is clear, right? You can make whether x coefficient should be same or y coefficient should be same, right? Now come to the next method, that is cross multiplication method. This is very simple and easy and interesting too, right? I like this method very much because easily you can, within 3 steps you can find the answer. So I like this method very much. So cross multiplication method. Here whatever the given equation, first write in the standard form. For this one, the standard form is you have to transpose the constant also this side and make it equals to 0 form. So the same equation I had taken here. So x minus y minus 26 equals to 0 and x minus y, here constant is not there. So not an issue, 0. Now you see the coefficient. Now we have to take the coefficient. See the diagram carefully. This will help you. Once you understood, then it is so easy to solve. Nothing but we have to find the value of x, y and constant. Constant should not be equals to 0. So we are taking it, that value is 1. Always constant will be, remains the constant. We are taking the natural numbers only. We are not taking the whole numbers. So always 0 will not come over there. So 1 will be taken here. So first we are taking the coefficient of B1. B1 means y coefficient, right? So B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2, B1, B2. Just observe the diagram very clearly so that it is very easy, right? So first we have to start from B1 and B2, not with the A1, A2. Coefficient of B1, say y, you have to start. So B1, B2, C1, C2, then it comes for coefficient of x, A1, A2, then again B1, B2. What you have to do, very simple. First you multiply cross B1, C2 to find the x value. So B1, C2 minus B2, C1. That will give the x value, right? So x value, how it will come? X is equals to x upon B1, C2 minus B2, C1, right? This orange one line is there, na? That will comes first. So this way you have to come from up to down. That will be the first one, up to down. Then minus down to up. That you keep in mind. Always we will come up to down. That is difficult and very easy for us. And when we are going from down to up, that will be little difficult. So minus that one. Okay. So now the same equation, I have taken the coefficient. In the same format, I wrote it here. Coefficient of y, I have to take it first. Coefficient of y is minus 1, minus 3. So minus 1, minus 3 I have taken. And then C1, C2. C1, C2. C1 is minus 26. C2 I don't have 0. And then A1, A2. A1, A2 is 1 and 1 only. Again B1, B2. B1, B2 is minus 1, minus 3. Right? Now I have to find the x value. So x upon what I said? B1, C2. So minus 1 into 0, it becomes 0. Again minus B2, C1. B2, C1 is minus 3 into minus 26. Minus of minus is plus, but in the formula again minus is there. So minus 78. I hope this is clear. B1, C2, that is minus 1 into 0. Minus 1 into 0 first, and that is 0 for you. Again minus 3 into minus 26, right? So minus 78. Now come to the next one to find out the y value. Again what will come? C1, A2. C1, A2. So C1, A2 is minus 26 minus C2, A1. C2, A1 is 0. Again 1 into 0 is 0. Now come to the constant term, that is 1. So 1 means again up to down. Minus 1, plus 1 into minus 3. It is minus 3. Again 1 into minus 1. That become plus 1. Minus of minus 1 become plus 1. Right? Now you see x upon 0 minus 78. 0 minus 78 is minus 78. And y upon minus 26 minus 0. So it becomes y upon minus 26. And 1 upon minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So you are getting the value like this. X upon minus 78 minus y upon minus 26 and equals to 1 upon minus 2. The same way, and we are going to compare the x with constant, again y with constant, so that we will get the x value. So x with constant, for first I am comparing. X upon minus 78, that is equals to 1 upon minus 2. So if we are comparing like this, what we will do? We will do the cross multiplication. So minus 78 comes here. So minus 78 upon minus 2, it will become 39, because minus minus will be cancelled. You will get the answer as x is 39. And now we are going to compare with y value and constant. So y upon minus 26, that is equals to 1 by minus 2. So y is equals to minus 26 by 2. That become y is equals to 13. So all the three method answer will be remain same, but which method you find it easy, that way we can solve it. But each and every method, different questions will be given to you in the exercise. In further lecture we can solve the exercise sum also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for the further notification. Thank you children.